Experience the perfect blend of luxury, comfort, and nostalgia in this exceptional updated century home. Located in the charming town of Milverton, this stylish property has undergone a complete renovation, including a steel roof, and features beautiful finishes and room for the entire family. Plus, enjoy the convenience of an extended driveway and large garage with loft storage, perfect for hobbyists or outdoor enthusiasts alike. Let's head inside and check out my top 7 reasons why you want to make this house your home. Number 7, carpet-free main floor. As you enter, you'll be greeted by a functional layout and tasteful finishes throughout. Step into the spacious living room and admire the beautiful luxury vinyl flooring and updated light fixtures, providing a serene space to unwind. Conveniently located at the rear of the home, you'll find a bright and airy sitting room with walkout, which could double as a perfect home office, and a combo powder and laundry room, which adds practicality to this inviting main floor. You also have 9-foot ceilings throughout the main floor. Number 6, covered porch. This tranquil space is ideal for a morning coffee or an evening cocktail. Number 5, eat-in kitchen. Your bright, updated kitchen awaits, offering high-end stainless steel appliances, soft close cabinetry, quartz countertops, and subway tile backsplash, an island with breakfast bar, and a coffee nook. Your formal dining room is the perfect place to host family dinners or entertain. Number 4, sunroom. Head up to the second level to find a bright sunroom with panoramic views of your front yard. With plenty of space and natural light, this is perfect for a summer home office, sitting room, or play area for the kids. Number 3, bedrooms and bathroom. You'll find 4 bright bedrooms with updated light fixtures, along with your main 4-piece bath with luxurious soaker tub and stand-up shower. On the 3rd level is your expansive loft, which could be finished to your heart's content. Number 2, parking. Enjoy ample space with an extended driveway and garage. Additionally, the garage offers a 2nd level of storage space. Number 1, location. Welcome to Milverton, a quiet and quaint community. Situated amongst charming shops and surrounded by nature's beauty, yet conveniently close to neighboring towns and cities, you're perfectly positioned to enjoy the best of both worlds. Thanks for joining me on this tour. If you're interested in this home, check out the website below. And for more great homes, don't forget to follow us on social media. For the Kostecki Real Estate Group, I'm Peter Kostecki. We'll see you at the next home.